So cool. Oh, this is so cool. This is so fluffy. Hey, me and my sister Braylon are about to make some slime because that's what she wants to do today. So, I guess we can get started. Okay. So, here we have some green food coloring because that's what I want. Some glue, some suave lotion, some good soothing lotion. This is cocoa butter, so it should work well. Some regular almost glue, any food coloring. I got green because I like it. And some shaving cream, not gel but cream.
We have some activator, which is, it's a solution. It's a borax solution that is mixed with borax and hot water. So we'll let that dissolve. Let me bring out the bowl and we'll get right to it.
Okay, so I never made slime, so she's gonna teach me. So tell me how it goes.
So the first step is pour your glue in. How much glue you pour in decides how much all of the rest of the ingredients you'll need. So I don't really do all the exact measurements, so I just pour however much I want to. But you guys
can we just open it up?
Oh yeah. But don't pour a lot. Pour like half of it.
Half of the bottle?
Yeah. Okay, that's good.
Are you sure?
Yeah. We're going to take our dye. I chose pink. Well, I chose purple and Bryce chose green. So we're gonna take like 3 drops, but really tiny drops. If you don't want it, if you want it dark, this is in the way. Move your things, it's in the way.
That's good. 3 drops.
Next, you're gonna start. You want it a little darker, then add more. We'll show you after it gets a good mix in. We add
Suave
lotion. Suave lotion is the best lotion, but you can get any lotion you want, but Suave is the best for making slime. And then we have shaving cream, so to make it fluffy. Those are the fluffy ingredients for fluffy slime. Okay, so let's go ahead and add our ingredients. Don't add too much, because then it will just be bad. It won't be stretchy enough in the beginning, so you have to add more while you're kneading it.
Okay. What's next?
Lotion. Lotion makes it stretchy. And if you want to add more lotion at the end because it's not getting stretchy enough, then you can. But right now, we're gonna stick with the low height and not put too much. I think I already put too much. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. Can't decide on anything.
Did you get enough for me?
There's enough already. Okay. So now we're gonna add our shaving cream after you get that all mixed in.
How much?
As much as you want, but not too much. I love the smell of shaving cream. It is so good. I think you're gonna need some more glue because you added too much shaving cream. See how fluffy it got? Fluff. That's the shaving cream.
Wait, let me check this one. Okay, so So we had a little bit of difficulties, but we're back now. So the last thing we did was
the shaving cream. And I mixed Bryce's green dye into mine, so mine looks a little bit peach. But I'm gonna add a little
of her purple just to give it a touch to see what it looks like.
Could I have my top, please? Oh, I did not even do that.
I need some more.
Well, don't use it all because we still have to give this back to Mom. She cooks really good. We love our mom. Shout out to Anise Baxter White. She doesn't have to use these, but shout out. Well, she does, but she doesn't.
Okay, so now we're gonna add borax. Not too much, but not too little. Here. She knows what she's doing, so.
Mix it.
No, I want it like this.
Don't do mine yet. I'm still mixing.
Well, I'm gonna add just a little.
Don't add a lot.
Don't add a lot. Make sure you just do a little.
Cause you'll mess the whole thing up if you add a lot.
Like just about that much. We'll start with, and then if we need more, we'll add some more.
That's why you did that.
So now I left it and I didn't stir it all the way to see if I could get a multicolor effect, but it was okay.
The multicolor did not work.
It did not work very well.
I wonder how those people make it.
So if you want all the goods you can get, scrape some off the side and make sure that you get the stuff off the bottom. So maybe you need to put a little more shaving cream to capture that stuff, then you do that.
I think mine is turning out just like it was.
So yeah, the shaving cream really makes it the best fluffy.
Thanks, Mom.
Don't add too much because I tried it and it did not work. We're gonna add a few more drops. Not necessarily for color, just because. Oh, maybe for color. So that's exactly what it did. Wait, what does the borax do?
Borax makes it a solid. Like it makes it whole.
So we're gonna add a little more borax to mine.
Don't add too much.
Yeah, don't add
It
too
will
much.
not turn out good. This one, look, it's not even stretchy. This one, the best ever. I mean, what was? Mine is so sticky.
Okay, so it's coming out pretty good now that we added some more borax. And make sure you try to get up all the liquids that you can, because that's what it's gonna really do. Then we're just gonna take it out. It may not look very well at first, but you just have to.
How do you guys get like that?
Yeah, oh yeah, last time what we did, we added some more shaving cream. And when I added some more shaving cream, it made it really solid fluffy. Better.
It looks like the Grinch.
So we're just gonna put, I'm gonna dig me a little hole.
I think it turned off.
Is it turned off? But yeah, this is what it's gonna turn out with. So we're just gonna.
Mine is too sticky.
This is what it's gonna come out to be. So yeah, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Fails are always good.
Follow us on Instagram. I will be leaving my Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter and all that good stuff. So.
Yeah, follow me on Snapchat. I don't have Instagram.
Okay. So this is probably gonna be the final product. I'm just gonna keep mixing it. You have to knead it, don't forget.
That's good slime.
Yeah, this is. Do you see this? What she did? Don't put your purple fingers in my stuff. And it turned out good. If I had just kept it green, I'm gonna show you what it would look like.
How do you get it? I'm gonna make a space.
This is the one that I made before. If you kept it all green, this is how it looked. This one is like even better. It's even better.
I'm having a hard time today.
This one is even
Usually
better.
my slime's good, but today, it's bad.